Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I will show a couple camera tricks. So the first, let's open the camera. And right now I will start about the settings that we can find here, the best features, and after that things that we can make when we are using the normal modes. So when you go for the settings, at the first we can enable scan QR codes. So when you are in the photo mode, you can easily scan your QR codes. You don't have to install any external application. You can also use this option, swipe shutter button to edge to take a bird shot or create GIF. I always use this one. Right now you can make something like that. And you can take a lot of photos. We take 13 photos, as you can see. When you enter for the gallery, it's right here. When you click, you can store every photo that was taken. And you can for sure save a few of them, like this one, and also this one. Click here, and rest we can just delete. We can also quickly enable video stabilization to get better quality of our video clips. We can add grid lines. So right now we get help grid lines and we can make better composition on the photos or the video. And we can also add location tags to the photos. So we have to enable every stuff that you have. And right now when you take a photo and go for the details, just like that. And when you go for the details of this photo, you'll get there the exact location where the photo was taken. And the shotting methods, we can, for example, add floating shutter button. Take a look. So when you cannot reach this one, you can put this one here, and right now we are able to use it. If you want to take off, hide that shutter button, just put it here. And from the interesting options, we can also show palm to take a photo, to take selfie. So take a look. I'm going to switch to the front camera right now. And when I show my palm, okay, photo is not taken. Right now it will be, as you can see. I have to keep it like that. And the photo was taken. So that's how we can use this option. We have to be patient with this one. And also we can activate watermark. So when you click here, wait, what is going on here? Oh, okay, it's this front camera. So we have to we have to move to the rear camera, and after that when you scroll down we are able to add the watermark. So as you can see right now, we'll get marked that photo was taken on the Samsung Galaxy F12. And let's confirm, and when we tap right now on the shutter, and the left bottom corner we will get this mark. When we are in the normal modes, like in the photo mode, when you tap on the screen you can change brightness level by swiping like that. Let me show you how it looks. We can also add timer. So when you choose 2 seconds and click on the shutter button, after 2 seconds photo will be taken. In the video mode we can quickly change resolution of our video, so we can go for the 2K, for Full HD or HD. In the more modes we can find slow motion, hyperlapse, pro mode. In the pro mode we can change ISO, white balance, EV and focus. On our YouTube channel you can also find additional video how to use that mode. In the hyperlapse you can for example change the speed of the hyperlapse, 4x, 8x, 16x and 32x. And I think that's all. That's all interesting tricks that you can find in this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.